So now let's take a look at a plant cell. Plant cell has most of the same stuff there. So we have the nucleus, rough and smooth ER, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, peroxisomes, the plasma membrane, of course, the entire cytoskeleton, all these ribosomes. But it has some other things that are kind of unique too. So one is a cell wall, and not only plants have cell walls, some fungi have cell walls as well, uh, but in uh, um, in plant cells, it's made out of cellulose and it is a very interesting and specific structure. Also, within plant cells that we don't see elsewhere is this um, big single membrane, very large compartment called a vacuole. That vacuole has a few jobs, but one of the most important is regulating proper pressure within the cell. We'll talk more about that when we talk about plants. We also have these structures called the chloroplasts, which, like mitochondria, are double membraned. And if you can see here, the mitochondria have all these little invaginated areas. This is actually very pronounced within the chloroplast. So we have all these things that look like stacks, which are actually one continuous membrane um, that is inside one larger membrane on the out, or more smooth membrane on the out, very rough and invaginated on the inside. But we'll talk more about that in the future here. All right. So, as you can see, animals, plants, here we have unicellular eukaryotes and fungal cells, all eukaryotic in nature, all have very similar structures. We can see the nucleus, we can see the membrane, nucleus, membranes, and um, despite how they're shaped or how they're arranged, they have a lot of these similar features. So most of this chapter, what we're going to do is take each one of these features one by one and try and figure out, well, what do they do? So, concept 6.2, eukaryotic cells have internal membranes that compartmentalize their functions. Start off here, we have prokaryotic cells that don't have this in compartmentalization, at least compartmentalization that is done by membranes. Bacteria and archaeal cells definitely have internal structure, it's just not from membranes. The membranes that we're talking about are these phospholipid bilayers. Wraps around the outside of both prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells, but then eukaryotic cells have all these internal compartments which have different jobs, whether it be protein sorting, protein production, energy production, you name it, we've got an organelle for that. We also have plant cells, which have some additional features that we don't see in animal cells, so cell wall, central vacuole, and these big structures called chloroplasts. And these eukaryotic cells can come in all size, shapes, and flavors. So we have animal cells, fungal cells, unicellular, eukaryotic, and plant cells. And you can see how each thing might share some similar features. So they all have nuclei, they all have rough and smooth ERs. But you can see here these plant cells and these particular unicellular cells have chloroplast, where these fungal cells and animal cells don't. All three of these might have some type of cell wall, but only these will have cell walls made out of chloroplast. So a lot of diversity that can come in, but then again, at least at a molecular level, there's even more diversity when we start talking about prokaryotic cells themselves.